Apache OpenOffice, or AOO for short, is an open-source office productivity software suite. Formerly known simply as OpenOffice, it contains a word processor, writer, which is similar to Microsoft Word or Google Docs, a spreadsheet, calc, similar to Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, a presentation application, Impress, similar to Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Sheets, a drawing application, Draw, similar to Microsoft Paint, a formula editor, Math, and a database management application, Base. Though not well known, AOO has proven to be quite the useful substitute to Microsoft Office, especially since all the applications are free to use and there are no subscription fees whatsoever. I am Sandra Isige, and in this video, I'm going to take you through the basics of using AOO's Impress. On opening the application, you'll first see a window to choose either to work on a blank presentation, on one of the two whole presentation templates available, that is, the template to introduce a new product or the template for recommendation of a strategy, or to work on various presentation backgrounds available here. You also have the option to open an existing presentation that you had worked on earlier on Impress. There is the option to preview templates before choosing the one you prefer, as you can see. If you choose to work on a blank presentation, on clicking Next, you then get to choose the presentation backgrounds and output medium, and next you get to choose the slide transition effects, either to have no effects or one of the many effects available here, and also to set the speed of your slide transitions, that is, the amount of time taken to view one slide. You also get to choose the presentation type, either a default presentation type, where you get to go through the slides manually, or an automatic presentation type, where you can set the time spent on each slide before the next slide is automatically played on its own. If you choose to work on a template, for example, the Introducing a New Product template, on clicking Next, you're asked to choose an output medium, a presentation background, as well as when you choose to work on a blank template. You also get to set your slide transition, effects, and speed, and also select the presentation type, either a default presentation type or the automatic presentation type. You also have the options to describe the basic ideas available. If using Impress for work, on the next page, you get to set your name and the name of your company, the subject of your presentation, and the ideas to be presented. This will help ease the process of making the slideshow. You can then choose the different pages you want to set in a slideshow, either the title, from the title page to the idea pages, and then at the end, once you've made your choices, you select Create. Now you will see a new window where you can work on your presentation. On the top is the menu bar, and from the left to the right is the File drop-down menu, where you can create a new slide, open various presentations that you had worked on earlier with Impress, close the application, save the document, export the document in various formats such as PDF, send the slideshow via email, print the slideshow, and also to exit the application, and so much more. Next is the Edit drop-down menu, where you can undo or redo an action, paste content such as text or media in your presentation, and so much more. Under the Insert drop-down menu, you have the options to add new slides, to duplicate slides, to add media such as pictures from files available in your device, to add tables, charts, different objects, movies, and sounds, and so much more. Under format, you have the options to edit text, add different characters, edit paragraphs, add bullets or numbering to your text, change text cases, and so much more. Next is the Tools menu, where you can check the spelling of all the text added to your slideshow. You can access the gallery on your device to add media such as images and sound. You can check the language on your slideshow and make sure you have no grammatical errors, and so much more. Under slideshow, you have the option to preview your slideshow, which can also be done by pressing F5. You also have the option to add custom animations to your slide, edit slide transitions. Under the window drop-down menu, you have only two options: to add a new window or to close the current window that you're currently using on Impress. And last, under help, you have the options to find help on various tasks that you can do on Impress. And underneath the menu bar is two toolbars where you can find shortcuts to different menu items, such as creating a new slideshow, opening a different document that you had worked on with Impress, saving the slideshow you're working on, sharing the slideshow via email, saving it as PDF, printing the file directly, checking your spelling, and so much more. Similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, you can simply click in a slide to edit or change text, as you can see, which you can then edit through the Format menu. And after finishing working on your presentation, you can share the document directly from Impress via email. And you can find the shortcut to do so on the toolbar instead of going all the way to the File drop-down menu. As you have seen, AOO is quite easy to use and has a simple interface. As with any new software, however, it takes time to go through, and eventually you learn all the handy tools Impress has to offer for all to use. It is also easy to install on your device containing a Linux, Mac, or Windows operating system after downloading from their website www.openoffice.org. Thank you for going through this video. Please browse the other videos available in the Afringa-Academy for more tips on how to use various other software, either for work or personal use. See you next time.